This is video number 9 and the last video on the last lesson. And we are going to begin with the point when the clock struck 12, MML stood up. He looked very pale in his chair and see the important line coming. This line attracts question, short answer question. French is sharing with us. I never saw him look so tall. See, this is a very figurative line. French is thinking. When MML stood up, he is sharing with us. When he stood up, MML, he says, I never saw him look so tall. The word tall doesn't stand for the height. It stands for some hidden meaning. He looked, means MML looked very impressive that day. He became a hero for all of them, particularly for French. Before that, French did not like him as teacher. He did not want to attend his classes. But now there is a newborn love in the mind of French, in the heart of French for the teacher. His personality all of a sudden enhanced. He has a love for the teachers. 40 years faithful, selfless service towards French language, towards the French people. He has a great regard for that, and that's why he's staying with us, sharing with us. He looked so tall. Tall stands for enhanced personality. Tall stands for a very impressive person. Tall stands for a hero. MML looked like a hero that day. Let's see what did MML say. He wanted to say a lot of things, but he could not continue. He said, my friends, and then he said, I, and again said, I, and then he choked. He could not continue. I hope you have understood why he could not continue. Because there were tears in his eyes. His throat choked. He wanted to say, but he could not. And that's why he turned to the blackboard and in large handwriting, large letters, he wrote something. And what did he write? He wrote, Vive la France. This is in French language, means long live France. France hamesha amar rahe. That's the meaning what he wanted to convey. And then he stopped. He leaned against the wall, and since he could not say anything, by this gesture only, he made a gesture with his hands. Okay, the last lesson is over. It is the end of the lesson. Forever, the last French lesson is over. You can go. He said only last 3 words. And last 3 words were, school is dismissed. Means for permanently, forever, the French school is dismissed. You may go. There is an interpretation of many people that probably MML died at that point. But it is not clear with the language. But yes, it is the end of the last French lesson. And that was the last video on the lesson. Hope you have understood everything. And of course, I can understand you enjoyed that story. Thank you.